Okay, we are over at Mystic Bay in Osage Beach, Missouri. This is Rick with Custom Concrete Design. What we're going to be doing to this back deck is, first off, we're going to go ahead and grind some of the texture off of it. It's got a light broom finish or some concrete boogers, but it is new construction, so we won't have to really do any repairs. Just light grinding, open up the pores of the concrete, and then start our base coat of concrete here this afternoon, or probably late morning. Take this railing off, yeah, and then we're going to get started. Alright, this deck here at Mystic Bay is now complete. Just finished up another unit here. This is our Tuscan Slate, and it's in a chocolate and buff color. And then we taped out that 6-inch border and made that border just a shade or two darker, so it would stand out a little bit. And then the antique stain that we put on it is just a straight out chocolate. But being that it's over a chocolate buff top coat of Tuscan Slate, it gave it a little bit different look. Really textured out and marbleized, really nice for us. It's actually one of my favorite spots on the deck. Every job, it usually has one or two really unique areas in them, and for me this is one of the unique spots here on this deck. And then there's a couple spots out here as well, right in here. So if you guys happen to be watching this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content that I put out and the work that I do. Hit that like button if you like the video, you like my work. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this particular project. And if you have any questions also down below, leave your questions in the comments and I will get back to you. A couple of links underneath this video in the description. One's going to go to my Facebook page and the other one's going to go to my website. Going to find a lot more information there. That's about it for this one. See you guys on the next project.